to discuss my point of views on the topic shrinking job opportunities. As we all know that each and every topic has two aspects. Why not to discuss both the aspects of this topic? First says that yes, the job opportunities in India are decreasing day by day. But the reasons which are for this are as follows: that lack of awareness about each and every job opportunities which are available in today's time is not there in students, and they all are heading towards selected job opportunities like medical, engineering, teaching, law, etc. So, and the other reason can be dependence on other countries for goods, and we should be self-reliant so that more and more job opportunities can be created. Privatization can also be one of the reasons for this. And the other aspect says that no, the job opportunities are not shrinking. Actually, they are increasing day by day. For this, the reasons can be urbanization, and for the laborers and engineers are getting jobs, which is actually increasing the job opportunities. And today's time is fully digitalized, so each and every person has opportunity to come forward from the crowd and showcase their talent. I hope you will agree to my points. Thank you.
Today's world. In India and all over the country, competition is rising exponentially with its population rise. In our country, conventional method was very safe. Children used to mug up everything, and this was creating our country a country of educated labor. But now our national government has introduced a national policy, national educational policy, which has introduced a standard of academic education in all over the country. This is done because due to the globalization, our world has changed enormously. And now a person living in India can easily communicate with the person sitting in the other part of the world, say USA. This has led to the rise of the competition in the world, and no one can conquer it with this type of conventional method of education. This type of academic standard has imposed on our children so that their personality is improved and they can compete with the rising world. Hence, the higher standards of academic knowledge is necessary in our time. Thank you.
Thank you, Megha. So the next is Satyam.
Hi, I'm Rana Shilpa. In this 21st century, education is important for the development of every child. It is vital for the growth of any human being. But higher education standard plays a significant role in the development of a country. With the increase of competition at the global level, a country's youth with the higher academic standard is very important. According to the new education policy introduced by our country, which has increased the standard of higher education, academic standard tends to connect the people of one country to the other. The problem of brain drain can also be neglected by the quality education introduced by the government. Further, higher academic standard is needed for the development of any country